guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a little different video here. We're at the Baraboo Steam Show today. So I'm going to show you some clips around the swap meet, some finds and whatnot before I head off for the day. Still trying to get over from surgery, and we have a tractor full of people behind us. Awkward. Sorry guys. So yeah, see what I can find and see, and I think most of this will be voiceover once I'm a bit better. So thank you, and let's go on to the next part of the video. So we're going to take a spin around the parking lot here. It looks like a very crowded day, so that's great for the vendors. There's not too many plate vendors there besides Alex. I didn't see Joel, unfortunately. But if you need to get your steps in, this is definitely the place. So we're going to jump over here to a cool kind of beer sign. I don't know if it works or not. But there was a lot of traffic here. A lot of golf carts, a lot of ATVs. Hey y'all. So it's kind of warm out. It's like over 90, and so I'm going to do this part in the car. Wasn't much out there. So just a heads up for all your Dairyland members. President approved a new membership directory, so I'm trying to get that done before the fall meet. But for everyone else who's wondering, it's slim pickings out there. So I got this guy, not because it's nice. I think it's aluminum, and I think my other one's steel, so I gotta check that one out. See if there's a variant. It was so hard up, I bought some non-Wisconsin plates. So we got some a South Carolina in Gotta Be Trust. So if anyone needs one, reach out. And then a Illinois. This is like their collector plates. I think it's supposed to say Gypsy. I think that's kind of a no-no. But I'm gonna check that out. So yeah, I don't know how to feel about Steam Show this year. Kind of ouchies. Especially this is the one you have to pay $10 to get in per day. So hopefully y'all have better luck than I. I couldn't fit the next thing in a screenshot or this camera angle, so we'll dip outside the car and I'll show you that. And hopefully this is not too bad, since there's going to be some voiceover, since this is a hard one to film. And I should have brought my my whole outfit, but I didn't think I was going to shoot a video. I thought I was going to be buying license plates. So yeah, anyway, on to the next part. Well, I couldn't find some decent plates, but look at this, guys. This is where they make the new sheeting at. Kind of cool. Thank you for sticking around this long. We're going to go through the car show part. We're going to check out these bikes. Looking for some cool plates, but a collector plate and a older green base. Nothing too exciting here. Check out the old trucks. Just collector plates. A Mustang. Really trying to look at this older truck here without getting too many people in the shot. That is a cool old Chevrolet. I think I just butchered that. Sorry. I'm a Ford guy, so I like the Fords. As you can tell, I have way too many here at home. That's a nice older Ford with a great paint job. Let's look at these older. I think they're Model Ts, but I could be so wrong. I'm not a car guy. But I think it's very interesting that they do a car show at the tractor show. What we're really trying to get up to is the big guys up here. But they have some pretty cool classic trucks to check out if you're ever in the area. They do this show in August. Military truck. I definitely checked for plates on that one. Didn't have plates, just like last year, unfortunately. No low collector numbers, but here are the big guys. I would love to have a classic big rig. Of course, my wife probably wouldn't be so happy with that. Hey, look, 3-digit tractor plates. And we're gonna wait for that tractor. Here we go. Yes, the rare historic military vehicle plate, and it's the new 3M sheeting, but it looks like they put it over a painted base. That's probably going to be one rare plate coming up here. But look at that massive truck. I wonder if that is a multi-fuel engine. If I got a military truck, I would want a multi-fuel, definitely. Here's a less banged up version of that plate. And then we're going to take the stroll around these other classic big rigs, the long nose Peterbilts. All collector plates, though. Very interesting. I wonder if that gets you any type of special privileges with or without needing a CDL, like people use on the motorhome exception. But here are some really classic trucks. Oh, good old Mac. If you watch over some horror films, there's a lot of good Macs in them, like Maximum Overdrives. And hey, thank you for joining me through this flea market, tractor show, car show video. Um, if you like this stuff, let me know in the comments, like it, subscribe, and I'll do some more. We needed to do the wrap up video away from everybody, get by these woods here, and do this wrap up. So, not the most successful picking adventure, but it's also kind of hit or miss. So sometimes you need a trailer, which I bring along with me, to bring all the plates home, and sometimes you just need a little bag. Win some, lose some. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.